Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to repost someone else's story to your story. That is, you will be able to follow someone else's story in your Instagram account. How to do it? Very simple. First you go to Instagram and find the profile you want. For example, the Barcelona account. Instagram does not have a function to repost other people's stories. There is not such thing, but there is another way. You simply copy the link to that story. After that, go to any browser and find the site Save Insta. This site helps you download stories from Instagram. We go here and click on this button. Then we paste the link to the story here. And we click download. After that we download the video. It's downloaded. Here is this video. Now click on share and press save video. You can make it a little smaller. We can add some stickers or inscriptions. Now add a link to your account Barcelona. Do it 3 times. Now click on done. Click on this inscription and turn it upside down. Now increase it and put it like this. Now press expose a story. Wait a couple of seconds. Now open it, and if we click on any point on the screen, it will open a link to a profile of Barcelona. So that's a great and easy way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.